everyone. Today's topic is sequential operation of two three-phase induction motor using TDR, that is time delay relay. So let us start. So this is the schematic diagram. Here two contactors are required. Contactor A is for motor number 1 and contactor B is to energize motor number 2. Now we want that motor 1 will start. Firstly the motor 1 will start, then with a delay of some time motor 2 will start, so that the sequential operation of the motors will get into the picture. We don't want to start all the motors at one time due to the overloading of the system. Now if you push the start button, then the contactor A will get energized. Due to the energization of contactor A, its auxiliary contact A will get closed, and its main contacts obviously they will also get closed, so that the motor will get supply, motor 1 will get supply. So by energizing the contactor A, its auxiliary contact small a will be closed. Now the contactor A is getting supply via stop button, that is normally closed auxiliary contact A and to the A. In parallel to this, TDR will also get supply, because the auxiliary contact P2 of contactor B are normally closed contacts. So the TDR will also get supply. Now the motor 1 is running. At the same time, the countdown also begins in time delay relay. Then the time which is being set in TDR, after that time, TDR will close its contact, that is small t. Then due to this, when TDR closes its contact small t, the contactor B will get energized. On the energization of contactor B, the motor 2 will get started. When the contactor B is energized, its auxiliary contact P1 will get closed and its auxiliary contact P2 will get open. Now TDR will get de-energized and the contactor A and B are getting supply. So now the motor 1 and motor 2 are in operation. So it's the wiring diagram. Here you can see there are two motors, induction motor 1 and induction motor 2 with their stator and rotor. We want induction motor 1 to start and then after some time induction motor 2 will get started with some time delay. Now when we push the start button, contactor A will get supply via stop button, start button and contactor A. Due to this, it closes its main contact and auxiliary contacts. At the same time, TDR will also get supply via stop button, start button and then normally close contact of contactor B and then to the time delay relay. Then after some time, with some delay of time, TDR will also closes its contact. Due to this, the contactor B will get supply via stop button, auxiliary contact A, auxiliary contact of T and then to the relay B. Due to this, the contactor B will get supply and it closes its auxiliary contact B1 and opens its auxiliary contact B2. Due to this, the TDR will get out of the picture because it was getting supplied through the auxiliary contact B2. Now the second induction motor will get supply and it gets started. So induction motor 1 and induction motor 2 are now in operation. Firstly the induction motor 1 had started, and then after some delay due to the TDR, induction motor 2 had been started. So this is a sequential operation of two induction motors.